Do you love macarons? Because we do. We're with Dalloyau Paris and we're about to meet head chef Ken Thomas. He's going to teach us how to make the most amazing Madagascar vanilla macarons. Hi, I'm Adi from Style and today we're going to learn how to make
macaron.
This is
Ken. My name is Ken Thomas. I'm a head pastry chef of Dalloyau and Epure in Hong Kong. And today I teach you to do a real macaron. This recipe is from more than 300 years and from Paris.
How long have you been a pastry chef?
More than 8 years now.
I think we're ready to start, so
yes.
Let's go.
We have many different steps for doing a macaron. Basically, it's an easy recipe, but all the step is very important.
Okay.
When you fail one step, all the batch is not good.
Okay.
Macaronage, is say when we want to put together meringue and almond. This is make macaron. And this step is very important to find a good texture of the macaron.
I want to try.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm
no
failing.
No problem. Okay. No problem.
Oh my god. I'm so bad at this. Also, as you can see, Ken's macaroon shells are beautiful. Mine are still beautiful.
Well, it's okay. And then final step again. You compare the same size, tack. Yeah, when the size is similar, up you put here, okay? The vanilla filling, the base for us, for the Dalloyau recipe, the base is butter and almonds and some little bit sugar and real vanilla from Madagascar. We need to whipping and to find more smooth. Can you try to close? And now we have a macaron.
Yeah.
So it's a very simple pastry, but we have many steps and a lot of work.